What's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to make a spinning wheel out of cardboard and skewers. So let's get right into the video. So the materials that you're going to need for this project are a hot glue gun, some cardboard, some skewers. I use these long ones so that I can cut them in half and make a lot out of it. One plastic straw, a Sharpie or something to write with, a wire cutter, some scissors, and the stuff that you're going to give away when someone wins. Taking a closer look at this spinning wheel, you can tell that it's fully made out of cardboard. And then right here are some skewers that in the center there's a bolt which connects to the back, and there's one of these washers that connects to another skewer that connects to this block of wood. And I used a block of wood so that it's more stable and it won't tip over as much as like the ones that I made before. And then right here it's a plastic straw, and then there's actually a skewer inside of it which makes it more durable. And then right here, as you can see, there's an arrow which points to what you won. And then the straw right here is just enough so it can click onto this part of the spinning wheel without any trouble. And then as you can tell right here, I actually used a paper clip and then used one of these wire cutters to like bend the paper clip so it goes on this thing. And as you can tell right there, it's hung up onto one of these nails that I made. As you can see, I made an ice cream out of it. And then back to the front, I used a Sharpie and then wrote down the winning prizes so that you know what you're winning. And then also on the back, I actually put like some hot glue right there so it can seal the gap and it won't split apart. And then I left some room so that the thing can spin freely, as you can tell. Oh yeah, and this also makes some friction against this spinning thing so it won't spin out of control. So let's get right onto the gameplay. Okay, onto the gameplay. I said it costs $5 to play. So for example, if a person, pretend this is a person, and they come up and hand you $5, they get to spin the wheel. So as you can see, they get nothing, which is surprising because they just spent $5. So if they spend another $5 and spin again, so this person got candy, so they can choose whatever they want and then they can leave. So if you're doing it in real life, obviously they'll give you the money, spin, and then leave, just like this example. And another example is this person gave $5 to spin, and he just won $10. So as you can see, you're going to give the person who spun the wheel $10 if they won that. So if you say that this person spins again with this $10, that person will get 2 spins. As you can see, it spin again, so that doesn't count. Spin again. As you can see, this person got a stress ball. So you can choose either one of these for this example. So pretend it's that one. And then this person also got a painting. For this example, I used this yarn painting which is a painting that I made when I was in 6th grade. So yeah. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please give this video a thumbs up, and also share this video with other people, and comment what you think I should do next. When I hit 100 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, and it's going to be like a 2x2 Rubik's Cube and something else. So stay tuned for it, and I'll see you next time.